7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at Solana. Solana is currently trading at $38.40. In the last 1 year, Solana has gone as high as $260 and as low as $20. Will Solana rise again? Will Solana ever pump? Right now, Solana is setting unwanted records. Should we be getting some Solana in the bear market? Will Solana ever rise from the ashes? Are we going to see a new all-time high? We'll be answering all those questions in this video, guys. We'll also be looking at the Solana versus US dollar price chart. We'll look at Solana versus Bitcoin, Solana versus Ethereum, and then we'll look at the Solana market cap chart. We'll be talking about Solana's roadmap to recovery, when should we expect new all-time highs for Solana, and if we're in the bear market, should we be holding some Solana? How low can Solana go in the coming bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. At the point of recording this video, guys, Solana is down 50% in the last 1 month. It's down 16% in the last 1 week. It's even down 11% in the last 1 day. But in the last 1 year, Solana is actually up 4.1%. So if you're watching this video right now and you're complaining that your Solana is down, don't forget, guys, you probably bought late. You bought in the hype cycle time. This is the Solana price chart on the weekly. Guys, it's been a rough ride for Solana down. Solana actually set an all-time high here at $260 or some exchanges. Solana has been dumping since then. Solana actually dumped as low as $36. Guys, that's really crazy. That's an 85% drop from the all-time high. A lot of people bought Solana over $100, $200. Some people actually even bought at $240. Solana is setting an unwanted record. You don't want to see Solana setting consecutive red candles. You can see this is the Solana price chart from 2020 to 2022. So Solana is a very new coin. It's just been around for approximately 2 years. So Solana has not actually gone through a crypto bear market. And right now, Bitcoin has been tanking since when Bitcoin topped in November 2021. That was when Solana actually topped, when Bitcoin topped. Bitcoin topped at 69,000. Solana got to $260. Since then, Bitcoin has been dumping. Bitcoin is currently at around $30,000. And you can see that since then, Solana has been dropping also. Now, when are we going to get a green candle for Solana? Obviously, things don't go down in a straight line. In the case of Luna, it happened. But at some point in time, guys, you expect some relief rally in Solana, or expect Solana to bounce back to this $59, $60 region. But how low can Solana go in the bear market? Remember, Solana has not seen any real crypto bear market. It has just been around since the up only time. When Solana was launched here, Bitcoin was already at 6,000 and Bitcoin ran up to 69,000, and Solana ran up from $0.5 to as high as $260. In the last crypto bear market, Ethereum, that was the second largest currency by market capitalization, dropped over 90%. If you look at the Ethereum market cap chart now, look at Ethereum in the previous bear market. Ethereum dropped over 90%. From the top right here for Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum dropped over 94%. So if we assume that Solana will drop 94% from its all-time high, just mimicking what Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, did in the previous bear market, 94% from the all-time high for Solana will be around $14. Yes, Solana can drop to as low as $14 and will still be valid. Guys, remember, Solana had a wonderful mad run. Solana went up from $0.5 to as high as $260. That's over a 48,000% increase in just 539 days. That's mad gains. Now, if you have Solana right now and you're in loss, you probably bought after the final pump started, because every other person that bought Solana from 2020 probably till April 19, 2021 are still in profit. And if you bought Solana from the bottom till right now, you'll still be up 7,635%. Now, how low can Solana go? I told you guys it can get to as low as $14, but around that $19 will be another good place to buy. Yes, we might have some relief rally. If Bitcoin pumps a little, we might see Solana pump. And guys, another thing that is not helping Solana is the issue of outages happening on the network over and over again. For Solana to get to new all-time highs, we need Bitcoin to be another bull run, because you can see that all the time that Solana was rising, this was when Bitcoin was actually rising. Now that Bitcoin is dumping, Solana is actually dumping. Even this time period in time where Solana had a major dump, where Solana went from as high as $57 to as low as $19, this was when Bitcoin actually dumped. So anytime Bitcoin is dumping, Solana is dumping. So for us to start seeing new all-time highs on Solana, we have to see Bitcoin pumping. And I think Bitcoin will pump. We all know that over time Bitcoin will recover and Bitcoin will pump. So over time, Solana will actually recover. The only question is how low can it go right now? And if you look at the Solana Bitcoin price chart, guys, this is another scary chart. Why? Why did I say it's very, very scary? Is because from December 2020, Solana gained over 8,800% on Bitcoin. Mad gains. If you actually bought Solana instead of Bitcoin, wow, you would have been happy in just 273 days. The amount of money you used to buy Bitcoin, you would have, if you exchange one Bitcoin and use it to get some Solana at the bottom right here, you could buy over 88 Bitcoin at the top right here. Mad returns. But right now, since Solana topped, and since when Bitcoin topped, since when the market stopped being easy, because when we're in the bear market, the market is not easy. You just don't have to buy the dip. Buying the dip in the bear market will get you wrecked. Now the market is hard. You have to know where support and resistance is. Since then, and Solana actually just topped. Solana topped against Bitcoin on the 7th of September 2021. Then it entered distribution, and now we're in the downward phase of Solana against Bitcoin. Solana is down 73% against Bitcoin. I won't be shocked, guys, if I see Solana get back to this region against Bitcoin, and it might come down as low as 91% against Bitcoin. Now, am I saying you should just go and sell your Solana right now? You're in loss, guys. You have to make that decision for yourself. But we're in a bear market, and when we're in a bear market, all coins tend to go down, and that's why, guys, I want to show you guys Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance is increasing the market. That's bad for all coins. Yes, all coins might have some pumps here and there. I'm not saying that the market will just go down in a straight line, but if Bitcoin dominance is increasing, it means either one, Bitcoin is pumping and the rest of the market is not pumping as hard as Bitcoin, or the rest of the market is dumping and Bitcoin is not dumping as hard as the rest of the market. And right now, Bitcoin dominance is increasing. So right now, Solana will still see some chill pill. I still expect us to have some green candles. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 consecutive red candles on Solana. That should be a record somewhere. You can see we have never had 10 consecutive red candles. But I believe in the coming weeks, we'll have some relief rally. I can see Solana pumping to around $78. That will not be out of the realms of possibility. That's very, very possible for Solana. But guys, you should be very, very careful. And the Solana Bitcoin valuation is telling us that Solana is losing value against Bitcoin. So even if the Solana USD valuation is increasing, what's really important is the Solana Bitcoin valuation. Is it losing value against Bitcoin? If it's losing value against Bitcoin, you want to be careful what you're holding in the bear market. Now, Solana against Ethereum, another wonderful chart. Solana had mad gains against Ethereum from 4th of January 2021. If you got Solana on the 4th of January 2021, guys, by the 7th of September 2021, the Ethereum, the money you use to get Solana, that's the Ethereum you used to get some Solana, would have been worth over 3,600% more. If you had one Ethereum right here and you got some Solana, you'd have been able to buy over 36 Ethereums here at the top, guys. Crazy returns. But right now, Ethereum is gaining back on Solana, and you can see that Solana has lost over 66% against Ethereum. And if the market is going to be dumping, I expect Ethereum to hold better than Solana, because Ethereum has been here way better than Solana. We're seeing Ethereum go through one whole bull run, one bear market, and Solana has gone through only one bull run. So we don't know how Solana will we perform in the bear market. This is Solana's first bear market, so I think Solana will lose value against Bitcoin. I think Solana will lose value against Ethereum. But guys, that doesn't mean that's when you should sell your Solana. As a matter of fact, when the market is bottoming out, when you see that Bitcoin is actually bottoming out, that's actually the best time to get a lot of these altcoins. Don't forget, guys, if you think these altcoins are cheap right now, they can still get cheaper. A lot of the altcoins in 2017 went down over 96% and nothing happened. Those altcoins will just keep going down, and you just be looking like, what is really happening? At some point in time, people that have those altcoins will not even want to sell again, because you will just be so down bad. You have to be careful in the bear market. The bear market is very tricky. You can see that when the market was going up, it's just up only. If you buy here, you are good. 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 Anyway you got along when the market was pumping, you are good. But right now that the market is going down, you want to really be careful. The market is in extreme fear. That's the best time to buy generally, guys. When the market's in extreme fear, that's the best time to buy. But when in a bear market, timing when you buy is really important. You don't want to buy, you can actually just make a mistake and buy. Yes, you might buy close to the bottom and you might get wiped out another 70%. It happens with a lot of these altcoins, and I don't think Solana will be an exception. And you can actually just see Solana probably even dropping another 50-60%. Bitcoin too can drop another 50-60% to 15k. Ethereum can drop another 50-60%. So be very, very careful when in the bear market. But guys, I think Solana will still come back, and Solana is not going to die. If you want to get some Solana for yourself, and Solana is on basically all major exchanges, on Binance, Coinbase, XTX, Gate.io, Hubo Global. And when we're in the bear market, all the coins in the market actually tank, Solana included. So don't be surprised if your Solana portfolio is actually going down, your Solana bag is going down. Solana will still be here in the next bull run, and they have a good founder, they have good people behind them. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, is this a good hold through the bear market? Do you agree with my take on the market? Do you think Solana will perform poorly against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market? Or do you think Solana will be one of those shining lights in the bear market? If you got your Solana this time last year, you're still in the green, shout out to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.